Let's learn how to fix the auto scroll missing in TikTok. It's not hard to do and it's useful. If you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video and follow all the steps. The first thing you need to do is open TikTok on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you've done that, you'll see a profile option in the bottom right corner. You need to click on it, and when you do, a page with your profile will open. On that page, in the top left corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those 3 horizontal lines. When you click, a menu with 4 options will open, and you need the option at the bottom, Settings and Privacy. Click on that option, and a page with more options will open. You need to scroll down until you find Support and About. When you find Support and About, you need to click on the option Report a Problem. When you click on Report a Problem, a page with many options will open. Scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you'll see the option Chat with Us. You need to click on that option, and a Chat with TikTok support will open. You need to write Submit a Problem. When you send that to them, they will respond to you. In that message, you'll have the option to click Submit a Ticket. Click on that and write, "Please help. I am missing the auto scroll feature on my profile." That's it. They will fix it for you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.